Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need both devices ready. Charge your AirPods and open the case so they broadcast. On your Dell, make sure Bluetooth is enabled in Settings Bluetooth and Devices. This activates the adapter and the pairing UI. Once done, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth so Windows begins scanning. You're starting pairing now rather than prepping endlessly. This step creates the connection channel that the phone normally uses, letting your laptop discover the AirPods as a standard Bluetooth audio device. You'll see AirPods appear as a discoverable device. Select them immediately to initiate pairing. Windows may show a connecting animation or a short confirmation. Accept any prompts and allow drivers to install automatically. Once paired, go to Sound Settings and set AirPods as the default playback and communications device so audio routes correctly. Make sure the format and enhancements are appropriate. This ensures both media and calls use the AirPods, avoiding situations where one function works but the other does not. You should test music and microphone in a call to confirm both directions work. If audio drops or the mic isn't recognized, remove the AirPods from Bluetooth devices and repeat pairing. This clears pairing state glitches. If problems persist, update or reinstall the Bluetooth driver in Device Manager because driver mismatch often blocks Apple audio profiles. As a final tip, restart Bluetooth or the laptop after driver updates. Doing so forces a clean handshake and usually resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.